Previously on Road Trip Warriors, our dried up creek bed run in Utah took a turn for the worse after tipping a bike and breaking a lever. A single broken lever forced us to return to camp, cutting day 4 short. Join us this weekend on Road Trip Warriors as we collaborate with Life of Pleasure for part 5 of our dirt bike camping trip. During this episode, we travel to Moab, Utah and ride some gnarly single track known as Sovereign Trail. Here we are, Adventure Squad. Grab your gear and let's go. Here's a map of the region we will be exploring today. Specifically, our goal is to ride Sovereign Trail. Let's gear up and head on.
We stopped at a motorsports store yesterday, and the dude told us that Sovereign was the place to be. So we're gonna go try to find the Sovereign Trailhead, and hopefully rip it up. See what this dude's all hyped about.
We start our ride in search of a trailhead for Sovereign Trail. Along the way, we ride some Jeep trails while taking in some amazing views.
I think Sovereign's north, the Mother Road's that way.
Okay.
Where you wanna go?
Well, he made Sovereign sound fucking sweet. Is it?
That's this way.
Okay.
As we grow closer to Sovereign Trail, we realize the area is rather technical and will certainly build our skills. We ride along a washout and some sketchy cliffs before finally discovering Sovereign Trail.
Okay. Whew. That's interesting. I damn near fucking ran right into that big rock. I popped off the one in the middle of the trail, just whoop.
Nice.
Shit.
I hope you guys are enjoying this entertainment. See that little sign down there? It says most difficult. Oh man. Most difficult. Yep. I don't know. Should we walk around a little bit and scope it out?
We decide to take a peek at the trail before committing to the ride.
Oh, the trail goes right here.
I mean, fuck, we just went through that crazy shit. Maybe get some shade in that ravine.
Yeah.
The trail certainly looks challenging, so we decide to continue onwards.
All I do is adore you all the time.
Oh shit.
I like to. I like to love you.
Oh fuck! I'd say this one's a tad difficult.
I like to love you. If I may.
The fuck is this shit, mate?
What the fuck?
That's an opportunity.
Night and day. If I may.
I might try this.
I like to. I like to love you every day.
Oh, hey! Woo! What the hell? Oh my god!
Along the trail, we are faced with unfamiliar terrain and foreign obstacles to overcome. What a beautiful and challenging place to ride. As we progress deeper into Sovereign Trail, we face even more sketchiness. Let's hope we make it through this thing without launching our bikes and or ourselves off these cliffs.
Found it!
Nice. Oh yeah, the other one said Sovereign too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh shit. We're on a cliff face right now if you can't see. We're actually on the edge of a shit. Yeah, edge of a cliff right now. Maneuvering through. Nope, no problem. I think they called it most difficult for a reason. Starting to notice. I was almost in my way on over here. Oh fuck! That was not fun. Could have been a whole lot more not fun.
We approached some pretty tight and rocky switchbacks. These proved to be difficult as we were unable to reach the ground in many spots. This forced us to either walk or balance our bikes along the edge of the cliffs in which the switchbacks reside on.
I just tried to put my foot down for support, but it was dangling off the edge of nothing. Oh. We made it through that. Oh my gosh.
We did it. We made it to the end of the trail. What an incredible experience. Let's return to camp and prepare for our next destination, the Alpine Loop located in southern Colorado. Hey, it's Dylan here. Thanks for joining us this weekend on Road Trip Warriors for part 5 of our dirt bike camping trip with Life of Pleasure. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below. Search for us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and give us a follow. Also, check out our shop on Facebook and buy some of your very own Road Trip Warriors merch. Again, thank you guys for watching our video and sharing it with your friends. And go over and check out Life of Pleasure's take on this trip. See you next weekend.